Jay from PAT here. Today I'd like to talk to you about our end of financial year ex-demo sale. You see, here at PAT, we believe that you as the customer should be able to test most products before you buy them. And as new products hit the market, we're constantly updating our demo inventory, which means that you have the possibility to pick up some equipment which has only been used at demos or trade shows for a fraction of the recommended retail price. We have a lot of direct out equipment available. For example, the Andiamo AES SRC and the M1K2 MADI router, just to name a few. And these are all listed at least 60% off RRP. Yes, that's right, 60%. We have a Bell Digital Dante audio monitor, a Bell Digital BM AV1 16 SHD audio and video monitor, and various other Bell Digital products, all listed at below 70% RRP. A real bargain. Also available in our ex-demo sale are various Lavo VSM panels, some still with the old LSB logo, a VSM GPIO32 and a Smart Hub. We also have Lavo V Remote 4s, a Lavo V Pro 8 and even some radio consoles looking for a new home. We also have a Lavo 8 Fader Crystal Mark II console and a Lavo 8 Fader Ruby console, both with I/O and DSP frames. We also have a power core in our ex-demo sale. We also have professional bowler monitors, audio monitors, and RTW audio meters, and so much more on offer. At these prices, our products will sell out fast, so be quick and get yours while you can. If you require any more information, please contact our friendly PAT team or visit the PAT store at patstore.com.au. Thank you for watching.